know it's gonna be a good rest of the day when you got 2 filet fishes, fries, 2 smoothies, $4.88. Score of a lifetime, y'all. McDonald's is the way. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do a little tour. My phone died, so I got it charging. So after hours here, so smash that like button for dedication and taking time out of my day, extra out of my weekend for you guys. Love you guys, but smash that like button, show some support. So here's the entrance where we usually come in. This is the A wing right there. So actually I'll just go over here, but I'll show you what's going on basically. So this is one part of the hallway, the finished rooms, another part of the finished rooms down there. So as you can see here, these are the finished rooms right here. These are basically done. Got the power on in these rooms. Go in here real quick. Got the heat on, so it's really hot, but got the lights on and all that good stuff. So it's like gonna automatically adjust for the brightness right there. So, and then we go to the B wing. So there's 3 parts: A wing, B wing, C wing. So this is into the B wing. There's sheetrocking over here. So a little closet right here. And then this is the dining room. And then another entrance right here. This is probably going to be the main entrance, possibly. Over there. And then this is almost the end of B wing. So down here, I'm not sure what they got going on. Some stuff here. They got, I think this is another eating area, possibly. And then there's like the elevator room right there, elevator right here. And I think it's gonna get really dark. So this is C wing over here. Let me turn the flashlight on. All right, so here's C wing. Just cleared all our stuff out of material room, moved it to a different room. So working over here today as usual, but put these wires through here. One of these is an emergency light and that one's just a regular light. So got the exit sign right here. That looks okay, not too bad. Okay, so that's the exit sign, and then this is a light right here. I think I forgot a strap right there, but then 2 more lights right here, and then I got the whip right there, and the whip out to here, and then got a second whip tied in there, rolled together, and that goes over to this hard lid right here. Just a little single guy right there. Then working around the corner, finished up over here from, what was that, Wednesday? So did this right over here. Finished these 2 lights right here, plus the exit sign in the middle. I think that's an exit sign, yeah. And then that whip goes down over to here by this door right there. So that's gonna be for a 4-foot troffer light. And then this one's a 4-foot troffer light. Right, actually that's that's part of the exit. Where's that other one go then? Oh, that one goes over that way, that's why you didn't see it. And that goes over to right there, so that one was a long one. And then down around the corner, so these are still not sheetrock, these are roughed in, ready to go though. So no, maybe not, I don't know where I thought they got a sheetrock delivery down here, but maybe that was a different floor. So finished up down here, and so yeah, it's a pretty big building. Got a couple months left to go probably. I think the end date was May 5th or something like that, if I remember correctly. So I just threw up this exit sign right here, and then whipped it up to there. So it's gonna be in the drop ceiling drop ceiling in the middle right here. So that's what I worked on today, and I'm gonna take some tools home. So let me know. This is my little cart right here. Got all my stuff on here, so all my McDonald's life. So I'm gonna take these tools home. So I got the plug tester, if I can get it out. Got the GFCI plug tester and the Fluke meter. So let me know which one you guys want to see a video of first in the comments below. I'll do either one, but drop me a comment. First comment gets the video. So if you want the tester video, I mean, they're both testers, but if you want the plug tester or the meter, drop a comment below and I'll make it probably on Sunday. Keep you guys entertained over the weekend. Thank you for the support, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Have a good weekend. Sorry, it's been a long day. I will see you guys Sunday. Thanks for all the support, guys, as always. Appreciate it. Thanks for the comments, and I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check down below for the description for social medias and stuff like that. And if there's anything you guys want to see on the channel, let me know, and I'll do my best to get to it when I can. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a great weekend. See you later. And don't forget to gently tap that subscribe button. Pretty sure someone got murdered here.